Children, till now we have learned what is history. History is the study of past. Now, who is the father of history? Herodotus was the father of history. He was a Greek historian. He was the first person to collect the materials systematically, test their accuracy, and arrange them in a systematic manner. Now let's revise what we have learned till now. History is the study of past events, particularly in the human affairs. Prehistory is the period of time before the written records were made. History helps us to understand how the present evolved. The need of compartmentalized history is the ancient, medieval, and the modern. Social, political, economic, cultural, and technological changes occur stimulously all over the world. Now come to the exercise. Multiple choice. Choose the correct options to answer the following question. First, history is the study of past events, future events, or the present event. So, history is the study of past event. Take the past events. So, prehistory is the period of time before written records, after written records, or both A and B. So, tick the A, before written records. A Renaissance was a revival of art and literature in the 7th or 8th century, 10th or 12th century, 14th or 16th century. So it is 14th and 16th century. Tick the 14th and 16th century. Next, the modern period started in India during the 16th century, 18th century, or 20th century. So it is the 18th century. Read the following statement carefully and mark right on true or wrong on the false one. History is the study of past events. Put it right. Put it right. Aristotle is called the father of history. Put it wrong. History is the key to know our present. Put it right. Renaissance is the period began in Africa. Wrong. Children, come to filling the blanks. The word history derived from dash word historica. Write in Greek first. Second, dash is called the father of history. Herodotus. Put it too. The study of history helps us to understand the basic nature of our society. Put it 3. Then, in India, the dash period is marked between 8th and 17th century. Put it 4. Medieval. So students, write in your copy all the exercise and learn. Thank you.